Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what your body is made of? Believe it or not, everything in your body starts with tiny building blocks called cells. Cells join together to form tissues, tissues form organs, and organs work together to keep you alive and healthy. In today's video, we're going to learn anatomy basics in very simple terms. We'll cover cell structure and the four main tissue types found in the human body. Let's get started. What is a cell? Think of a cell as a tiny living building block. Your body contains trillions of cells. Even though they're very small, cells perform important jobs every second of every day. A cell is the smallest living unit in the body. Let's look at the three main parts of a cell. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is the cell's outer covering. Think of it as the walls and door of a house. It protects the cell and controls what goes in and what comes out. Cytoplasm. Inside the cell is a jelly-like material called cytoplasm. Think of it as the room inside the house where everything is located. Many cell activities happen here. Nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. Think of it as the brain of the cell. It contains DNA, which holds instructions for how the cell should work, grow, and reproduce. So remember, cell membrane equals protective wall. Cytoplasm equals jelly-like interior. Nucleus equals control center. These three parts help keep the cell alive and functioning. Now let's talk about histology. What is histology? Histology is simply the study of tissues. A tissue is a group of similar cells working together to do a specific job. Just like a sports team has players working together, tissues are groups of cells working together. There are four main tissue types in the human body. Let's look at each one. The first type is epithelial tissue. This tissue covers and protects surfaces. Think of it as the body's protective covering. Examples include the outer layer of your skin, the lining of your mouth, the lining of your stomach, the lining of your lungs. Epithelial tissue helps protect the body, absorb nutrients, secrete substances like sweat and mucus. Simply put, epithelial tissue is the body's covering and lining. The second type is connective tissue. As the name suggests, it connects, supports, and protects different parts of the body. Examples include bone, cartilage, fat, blood, tendons, ligaments. Connective tissue helps hold everything together. Think of it as the body's glue and support system. Without connective tissue, your body would not have structure or stability. The third type is muscle tissue. Muscle tissue allows movement. Whenever you walk, smile, blink, or lift something, muscle tissue is working. There are three types of muscle tissue. Skeletal muscle, attached to bones and helps you move. Cardiac muscle, found only in the heart. It pumps blood throughout the body. Smooth muscle, found in organs such as the stomach and intestines. It helps move food and other materials through the body. Simply remember, muscle tissue creates movement. The fourth type is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue carries messages throughout the body. It is found in the brain, the spinal cord, the nerves. Think of nervous tissue as the body's communication network. For example, when you touch something hot, nervous tissue quickly sends a message to your brain, telling you to move your hand away. Without nervous tissue, your body could not send or receive information. Simply put, nervous tissue controls communication. Quick review. Let's review what we learned. Cells are the basic building blocks of life. The main parts of a cell are cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Histology is the study of tissues. The four main tissue types are epithelial tissue, covers and protects. Connective tissue, supports and connects. Muscle tissue, creates movement. Nervous tissue, sends messages. A simple way to remember them is cover, connect, move and communicate. Epithelial equals cover. Connective equals connect. Muscle equals move. Nervous equals communicate. And that's anatomy basics made easy. Understanding cells and tissues is the first step toward understanding how the human body works. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who are learning anatomy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.